Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm section we are going to create an ASCII table. As you know that ASCII table stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Let me show you this table. This is our ASCII table. It starts from 0 until to 127 and also there is extended version until 255, as you see that. So this is our decimal and this is our char. First I just want to demonstrate you, just 1 minute. For example, if you want to get any char character, for example capital A, its decimal is 65, so I can do like this. I can say console write line, if I convert 65, that decimal, to char, so then I will get capital A. So here I'm expecting to get capital A. Let's run it. A, capital A. In reverse, if I have A as a char, I want to get a 65. How I will do it? I will convert to integer. So now let's run it. I am expecting to get 65. That's it. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create a loop and it will start from 0 until 127. Let's first create this one. And here what we are going to do is say console write line. And then we say I, this is our decimal, it will start from 0. And then I will say equal. And then this is our char. And in char, we will convert from decimal to char. And we'll do like this. This is our decimal. When we convert to the char, we'll get this char characters. And this is our decimal. So let's run it. How does it look like? As you see that this is our ASCII table, and we can check it even. 48 is 0 when it comes until 9, and then goes to capital A, 65. As you see that there is some characters is with the question mark. The reason, because I couldn't do on my PC, because my PC language was another, not English, the main language. I think this is main problem. But if in case it doesn't work in you, you'll do like this. First you'll go to your console and then you'll run as administrator, yes. Then from properties, make sure that is console is selected. This is first. Secondly, here we write console output encoding and then equal encoding UTF-8. So in this case, it should be solved your problem, but of course not mine because I couldn't do it. I did a lot. Even I changed this one. Let me show you from properties. Sorry. Yes, I changed this one UTF-8. Still, I didn't solve it. If you solve it, you can write in comment below. But also, if you write UTF-8 or maybe ASCII or Unicode, the problem will be solved, I think, in your PC. So now let's go extend this one. Let's put 255. As we said it before, we say extended one until 255. And let's run it and see how it is functioning. Yes. And let's compare these things. As you see that the character is the same. And yeah, this is like this, guys. As I told you, you can try this one and try to change that from properties. Make sure that font is console is selected, and then in your case this question mark should be another symbols. uh, anyway guys, see you next video. If you like my channel, please subscribe.